Yo, what's up guys, this is Mckoy here, the first beat effect. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about basic throat bass. Okay. Medyo madali tong throat bass, basic throat bass. So it will just sound like, it's kinda easy to learn, but at the same time medyo masakit siya pag-aralan, lalo na kapag first time. Kasi two basic steps, you just have to make your throat vibrate and you vocalize it. Just that's it. Yung magiging tricky part lang dito is kung paano siya magiging malalim. So we're going to talk about that step by step. I'm gonna teach you that, guys. We're going to divide that one into 3 basic steps or 2 basic steps. So first thing that you need to do is to, just talk like this. The normal voice, and then lower that down, so para magiging, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dun eh, yung mataas falsetto, yung mababa is na baritone mo yun, no? Parang depende sa gusto niyo yung variation. Baritone, magiging pataas ng pataas yung pitch, depends on you, but that's the first step. You vocalize. Second is to execute the vibration of your throat. Medyo para kang uubuhin. Or nang parang nagki-clear ka ng throat mo. Hindi ko alam sa Tagalog yun, pero yun. Nagki-clear ka ng throat. And you can feel the vibration here, this part. So next thing that you need to do, instead of doing the you open your mouth and pronounce the letter A. Depende kung anong pitch, pero in this tutorial we're just going to do the normal pitch first. So malalaman nyo pag tama yung ginagawa nyo kapag masakit na yung lalamunan nyo. Kapag nag-vibrate na dito na part. Okay? So, in order for you to lower that down, para maging medyo baritone siya, na medyo malalim yung dating, no? You want to position your mouth like this. And then, bend your tongue. Nakaganon. Ang ganyan siya. Pero hindi doon nagtatouch sa may ngalangalan yung banda. Hindi siya nakaganon. Nakaganon lang siya. Nakabend lang. Ang ganyan lang siya. Right ba? And then pronounce the letter O. O. But at the same time, you do that pero naka letter O yung pronunciation. So it will sound like gets. So if you're going to close your mouth while doing the throat bass, it will sound like gets? Ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. Sa una, medyo masakit siya sa lalamunan. Pero as you go along, magiging sanay kasi yung lalamunan. Masasanay yung lalamunan nyo dyan eh. Sa sobrang tagal nyong magganyan, you can literally explore different variations already. You can do it like you can also practice throat bass by using a, e, o, u. Yan. Gets? Stig nun na. Yung kaya nalaman yun. Pwede pala. So, patterns na pwede nyong pagpraktisan are just the basic. Or you can utilize PF snare. Gets? Or you can also do a basic dubstep. Gets? Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from me today. And big shout outs to Beatbox All Stars, the whole Beatbox community, and IBL, yeah, PHBA, First Beat Effect, of course, and sa lahat ng beatboxers dito sa Pilipinas. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and yeah, that's it. Leave a comment of the techniques that you wanted to learn. So yep, I'm gonna see you soon.